Hello everybody, today I'm going to play Total Roblox Drama without saying anything in the chat and see how long it takes me to be kicked out of the game. I don't have enough coins to buy any characters, so I'm just going to do the free gender selection.
Waiting for free characters, waiting for free characters, waiting for free characters, waiting for free characters.
Here are the free characters. I picked girl. His whole, thing, I guess. Does Kyle have to say this every time? We know, Kyle. Okay, now the game starts. Also, I'm Heavely. I'm not going to move a lot in the game, and I'm also not going to say anything in chat. Okay, so the first challenge that we're doing is the lava jump one. And in this one, I fall a few times, but that's fine. Here's a slow-mo of the fall. On this one, I think I'm the 5th person to finish it. Yup, I was 5th. Here it was a lot of nothing, nothing, and nothing on top. Everyone was just standing. We won safety. Here is when I started trying to do emotes, but it wouldn't let me. Ava was eliminated and she wasn't even in the game, so yeah. Right now there's a lot of drama, and Corey, why are you walking? Corey! Here we had paintball, and I'm really good at this one, so yeah. Epic battle moments. Live footage of me slaying the day away.
Slay girly pop.
We won again. Here there's not much, but all I know is Sarah was sent to exile and is safe. I went up here and then I kind of just teleported back down. And I went back up, or at least I was trying to, and then I fell off. Yeah. Betsy was voted out. That's all I really have for right now. Crumbs. What are crumbs? And here, some people said some questionable stuff, so... Okay guys, so here's where my footage cut off. It wouldn't let me finish it. Come back for video soon. I'll probably post one later today or tomorrow. Have a good day.